Hello, you welcome to Mastery English. Today we are going to learn how to introduce yourself in English for kids and beginners. Hello, my name is. Repeat after me if you can please. Hello, my name is. Hello, my name is Olivia. Hello, my name is Olivia. Hello, my name is Olivia. Hello, my name is Ahmed. Hello, my name is Ahmed. Hello, my name is Ahmed. My birthday is next week. My birthday is next week. My birthday is next week. My birthday is next month. My birthday is next month. My birthday is next month. My favorite. My favorite animal is the cat. My favorite animal is the cat. My favorite animal is the cat. My favorite animal is the dog. My favorite animal is the dog. My favorite animal is the dog. My favorite sport. My favorite sport is football or soccer. My favorite sport is football. My favorite sport is football. My favorite food. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is sandwich. My favorite food is sandwich. My favorite food is sandwich. I am a student. I am a student. I am a student. I am a student. My age. I have 10 years old. I have 10 years old. I have 10 years old. I have 8 years old. I have 8 years old. I have 8 years old. I live in small city in the USA. I live in small city in the USA. I live in small city in the USA. I live in small city in the UK. I live in small city in the UK. I live in small city in the UK. When I grew up. When I grew up, I want to be a teacher. When I grew up, I want to be a teacher. When I grew up, I want to be a teacher. When I grew up, I want to be a doctor. When I grew up, I want to be a doctor. When I grew up, I want to be a doctor. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Story time. Hello, my name is Olivia. Or, hello, my name is Ahmed. I have 10 years old. My birthday is next month. My favorite animal is the cat. My favorite food is pizza. And my favorite sport is football or soccer. I live in a small city in the USA. When I grew up, I want to be a doctor or a teacher. When I grew up, I want to be a teacher or a doctor. Nice to meet you. Good job, student. Now you know exactly how to introduce yourself in English. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next lesson. Bye bye.